song for my legacy. Do it and make them see. The road is hard for me, but my pay it for my family. Save by yourself.
Never say if we make it in.
Save by yourself.
When we make it here.
You're from God.
Bad mind and them jealousy. Spoil the Ragga G legacy. Don't theatre them up. Spoil my catalog. Whole crab in a barrel and snake in a bag. You can't stop the lifestyle and the talent I have. Ragga G, mortal. Hey, dog and drunk, steak and spider. From you no rate me, me no rate you neither.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place. Let's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah, man, bless you. Love and greetings. Watching them, man, you know, lion foot, you know, we say give thanks to life. Give thanks another day, blessed Sabbath. Zane, right now we're there on the journey. Zane, I'm going to run through Govana right now. Govana, big up yourself, Govana. A different insight, man, yeah, realness, you know. Yeah, and big up Naro. You see Naro, I do it, the fix, Ari, the whole team. Job. Yeah, man, so Govana have him album now named Legacy. And I listen to the song them. And it's, yeah, nice album, but I love Legacy, my favorite song, Legacy.
My legacy. Do it and make them see. The road is hard for me, but my pay it for my family.
And poor story to four story.
Now what am a poor story now? A 4-story house. Now what am a poor story now? A 4-story house.
And Saved by a Psalms, that's our Psalms. Yeah.
Save by yourself.
Never say if we make it in.
Save by yourself.
When we make it here.
You're from God.
Nice. What are the songs them shot, man? All the collaboration with Popcaan and Mavado, Jada Kingdom, and all, you know. But nice album, people go check it out, the Legacy. Me lion foot I tell you that. Zane, but we're going to run through a quick review now. Yes, and Govana, we help the youth them, man. He might give back and he might boss youth. You see me I say? You know what this, I never hear nobody else say Govana ungrateful and nobody else switch up from the camp. Because him seems like a nice person, a real youth. Big up yourself, Govana. And big up I don't know, because I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to make it possible. And now Govana carry on the legacy. Zine? Yeah, so go check out the EP. We run through that and we also have all veteran artists, Ragga G. Me that always wonder where him there. But him do a bad freestyle, you know, make you know it's a bad mind and fight and jealousy, you know. Yeah, people come around him and steal him energy. So I'm going to hear him freestyle. Big up Ragga G. Big up rapper crap, I'm going to say post it, you see me? But yeah, I run through Govana song Legacy and highlight the good things them. Where am I do? Big up Bagalane, the whole Spanish town. Say? Chinatown, yeah man. I want link, you know. Bless it. Don't forget to like and share the content.
Music.
Look at your story, look at Yeah man, music man, boy. Yeah man, by food farm music take over, so yeah, everything else. Cause music selfish, you know, you don't really have a chance to do nothing else.
Sure.
Yeah, so take away from everything else. That me I do, you know. That's music, isn't it?
I think.
Yeah man, it's music.
Yeah man, the music is a jealous thing, and if you not get the 100% full time, it take longer for bus and frustrating, you know. So here Governor said that's music in focus on straight. It's not like me when you say I do the 9 to 5 or any other person, you know. Like you know, put in the heart in the music, so people would have feel like say you're lax or you're lazy, but you're not lazy, you're lazy. Food of eat and bills of pay, you see me say? Especially when you're in England or America or Canada. And like I said that Jamaica, you know, say, you see me? Yeah, sacrifice.
When you go abroad, how much you try to bring back to the youth them?
Yo, what I try to do, I try to bring the youth them abroad.
The things that you can't bring all of them, so I appreciate sometimes probably bring some abroad to you, so.
No, I bring all of them, but I just one.
Yes, man, big up yourself, Governor, because that's the same intention me have also to do for my scheme and the youth them. Anybody really want me, from a boss, I have to boss them. And so I say that are the mindset. So here Governor say my boss the youth them run him, but I just one. It's just the youth them have to be patient and you know what I mean, show respect to me and you know what I mean? Yeah man. So big up Governor, really time. I love that thought there.
You have the mindset there for real.
How much you have to go pamphlet? I go pamphlet.
Yes, man. So here Nara asks Governor if he really have the mindset if he help the youth them and boss. You know, a greatness, man. But the said mindset me have, man. If you check out my song now, stop try. Me say it tonight, you see me? For the G them, real both woman and man, who no get vehicle, get visa in them hand. So governor make enough youth a fly, enough youth can believe say, yo, take out a passport, you know. You see me? And can be able to travel for even one time. A greatness that. Because once you travel a bus, you get the experience out there. You see? Big up governor again.
Oh, them man go on plane.
He
Yeah.
ain't go on the plane.
Canada, Wales.
What you say?
Canada, Wales.
Canada.
Yeah.
Canada, yeah.
Guyana.
Yeah.
And many more to come.
Yeah, no style.
Yes, man, say, yeah, the general there say, yo, he must talk proud and loud, you know, once him go Canada, Guyana, and many more to come. He must speak it in existence, and he must talk positively with respect. You can hear the respect in them voice. You see me, I say, big up governor for your boss to you, them, because enough artists, nah, do that. Enough big artists, a boss long time, not do them sitting here where governor do. If they can do it, but they just don't want to do it all for themselves.
Yeah, man, I go on plane, man. So I bring as much as possible on plane. I bring all of them on plane. I just them have to decide what they want to do after.
Yes, man, big up yourself, governor, that is it. So you governor say my boss, the youth, them my help, all of them. I just them have to decide what they want to do after. And you know what that mean? When them get the chance, when they go Canada, England, America, what, you know, if them want to stay, it's over for them choice that him now stop them and say, yo, you see me, it's up to you. When you get the opportunity, the way you want to do with it. Sometimes you just need one opportunity in life to change your life. You see me? So big up, governor.
But when you go out there now, because you have to get the experience, and it I go show you, say, yo, bro, the world is bigger than the lane right there saying.
True.
Damn rightly so. The world is bigger than the lane and the trenches. I hope the youth them in the garrison now listen. But they won't know until them get the opportunity. You see me? And that governor will give them the opportunity.
You see me? I used to say, I'm Michelin and chat, I say, Michelin where they in same that Portland, just a while ago, man, them saying that the Atancourt place. So I say, I said, Thomas, say, the dog, them man in a less Spanish town. Them man, yeah, so if you bring them money out in the world, because I'm Michelin in Canada, I'm in England, you get to me, I say, I'm in the Caribbean, the Trinidad places, Virgin Islands, you get to me, I say,
yes, man, big up yourself, Michelin. I don't know you, but big up yourself. So you governor make you know yourself, and Michelin get the opportunity to start travel out. You see me, left the lane. You see me, I say, Spanish town and start knowing places, a different mindset. And I really think, you see me, life is out there to live, and the world big. I just you have to know, say, yo, you have dreams and aims and opportunity. Badness, nah go nowhere.
Now what am a poor story, now a 4-story house. Now what am a poor story, now a 4-story house.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, yeah man, I hit that. Big up yourself, governor, big up Naro. People, if you don't want to watch the full interview, the reasoning, go over the fix page, you see me? Yes man, that's how I get the thing from. That's how I get inspired from, you see me? And you don't know the album Legacy, go check it out, the song them. But nice. You see me, but me have my favorites. You see it? Yeah man, Legacy, you know, 4-story to 4-story house and Saved by Your Psalms. You see me, but the whole album sound good still. You see me, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. So right now, check out the artist and name Ragga G. Yeah man, I burn a piece of fire, the energy.
Bad mind and them jealousy. Spoil the Ragga G legacy. Or the dirty heart with them out. Spoil my catalog. Whole crab in a barrel and snake in a bag. You can't stop the lifestyle and the talent I me have. Ragga G mortal. Hey, dog and drunk steak a spider. From you no rate me no rate you neither. Dog and drunk pig and a hyena. And dirty nasty nigga. And I me say dog and drunk steak a spider. From you no count me no count you neither. Dog and drunk pig and a hyena. And dirty nasty nigga. And Ragga Dapper get them jealous of my bossy lifestyle them want. He talk them out to see me rich. So them hide me from the charts. Can't see me. Black bar and radio boy cut me off. Them jealousy. Block me talent, me family so lock me off. Now friend enough to play me move on a dirty load card. I'm not care for none to play me without the fear me better off. No we don't need the fear me always live like big star. Spend money as me like fly. Going where me want. Caribbean, Africa, I'm a star of Gambia. And in a London, me the gun and me and the girls empire. Stretch out the tightest girl in my bench drop top car. Wow! Dog and junk steak a spider. From you know rate me no rate you neither. Dog and drunk pig and a hyena. And dirty nasty nigga. And I say dog and drunk steak a spider. Crab in a barrel, pig and a hyena. Dog and drunk old viper. You dirty heart a slow poison you. And a long time them a despise and reject me. And enough time them shame me, turn off the mic and insult me. But Africa they ignore me, love and respect them show me. Father God love me, him always go before me. Me rise up in a glory, them have to pay me what them owe me. Me rise up in a glory, millions of people start know me. Rise up in a glory like Joseph for the Moses story. Waste the time, me still a fight me. That it don't give me the victory. Defeat a bad mind, a dirty heart and jealousy. The dog and junk, stake a spider. From you know rate me, me not rate you neither. Dog and junk, pig and a hyena. And dirty nasty nigga. Dog and junk, stake a spider. From you know count me not count you neither. The dog and junk, pig and a hyena. And dirty nasty nigga. This race is not for the swift, it's who can enjoy it. Them God can hold me down and Father God still make me rich. Him keep me healthy and fit, me stay bossy and slick. With many wives and funky boys and some fat sexy chick. And I just know them a diss me from the 80s them switch. From General Levi's youngster bad boy click. Them disrespect me and jealous of me in the industry. Me talk the truth of God love and hold me militancy. And I'm on chat down Babylon Kingdom, IT in your wally. Dirty dog and junk, stake a spider. From you know rate me no rate you neither. Dog and junk, pig and a hyena. And dirty nasty nigga. Dog and junk, stake a spider. Crab in a barrel, pig and a hyena. Dog and junk, old viper. And dirty nasty nigga. Smiley culture was a done, him was my real virgin. He never teeth me energy like my next artist friends. Inspire me for rich and drive Mercedes Benz into Ragga. You know for this I go and go step on them Ragga. They afraid of you, cause you're better than them fox. From that then after that, he was my next best friend. He never disrespect me like my family son boy them. Fox respect me like I done as a big star legend. Fox do everything for me, do anything for you. Give me last 50 pence, ask if you need anything else. So Ragga, don't worry, because you must get the help. Because the most I help, those who help themselves. And I say, dog and junk, stake a spider. From you know rate me no rate you neither. Dog and junk, pig and a hyena. And dirty nasty nigga. Dog and junk, stake a spider. Crab in a barrel, pig and a hyena. Dog and junk, old viper. And dirty nasty nigga. Yeah, can't stop.
What a piece of fire from Ragga G, man. What a piece of energy, man. Jesus, peace. Yo, you can tell them on a rock stage when them touch the stage, you know. Ragga G, big up yourself, man. I know what you talk, brother. We feel the pain, I know. You see me, I said the music game, dog eat dog and bad mind. You know, some people come around for drain energy. And you know what I mean? Yeah, but I don't know. Only the fittest of the fittest shall survive, you know. Yes, you may say, Ragga G, link up, link up, link up. I love your reason with I or interview. Yes, you may say, if it's possible. So link me up on Lion for TV on Instagram. Real Lion for TV. See? Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. Blessed love.